Hi all, today we are at the Grundfos Center in Bjerringbro in the showroom where we have a MIXIT and a pump installed here in the system, and we want to upgrade our firmware software in the MIXIT unit. The reason for the update is that we have a new feature in the MIXIT we want to use, and we want to upgrade the software in the MIXIT for using that feature. Here in the showroom we have the possibility for connecting an iPad to our MIXIT unit. But if you have your own telephone, you could use that if you have a Grundfos GO remote installed. Before you upload the new firmware software to the MIXIT, you need to connect the Grundfos GO remote to the MIXIT unit. Press the connect button in the Bluetooth menu and then press the connect button on the MIXIT unit. Then all the data from the MIXIT will be transferred to the Grundfos GO app. When the data loading is finished, you end up on the dashboard. Here you see a red dot in the settings menu, which indicates that there is a firmware upgrade. We press the settings, other settings, we just follow the red dot, and firmware. Then we want to update with Grundfos GO remote. The Go app verifies the pairing between the MIXIT and the Go app. And here you can see the current version of the firmware and the new firmware version we want to update our MIXIT with. We press the update now. We get some information regarding battery on the mobile device and how long time it will take. Press proceed and we're preparing the firmware update. Five minutes later, all the data is transferred into the MIXIT. Then the MIXIT will restart. The new data in the MIXIT unit is now being prepared. As you can see, a special running with the LEDs in the display. It stops and starts. And when all the data in the MIXIT unit is transferred to the microprocessor, the MIXIT unit will restart and everything is as it was with a new firmware software. Now we're back on the dashboard and you can see all the values who have been put in the MIXIT before is still here, even then we have updated the firmware software. You can see the red dot is gone because there is no more updates, and you can see the software version of the update. When going into the MIXIT, you can see all the software versions here, and the application software is updated to the newest one who's available in the cloud. Thanks for listening in to these small videos. I hope it makes sense for you and it was useful. If you need more information, then just go to grundfos.com, search for MIXIT, and then there is a lot of quick guides and more information regarding MIXIT. And remember, why go out and fix it if you from Grundfos can buy a MIXIT?